let us solve this example. Okay, so this is example of double integration. Already we have solved few examples in our previous videos, but see, the region is different. Okay, so that's why we are discussing this example. So we have to solve double integration. Function is provided, right? And let us focus on region. So when we solve any example of double integration, what we do? First we draw the region, right? After that we consider a strip either parallel to x-axis or y-axis, and after that by taking a limits we will solve the double integration. So this is our method of solving any problem of double integration. Okay, so let us write the given region. What have they mentioned here? So I will mention given region or given curve. I will simply say given curve. Only one curve they have mentioned. Okay, what is it? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Do you know this is equation of what? Yes, this is equation of circle. Okay, this is equation of standard circle. I will show you what is the standard form of that equation of circle. So this is the standard form. So its center, okay, what is its center? A comma B, and what is its radius? Its radius is R. Okay, so in this way we get a circle with center AB and radius R. Getting my point? But here there is x minus nothing is there, that means nothing is there, that means 0 is there, right? Y minus B is here, but there is no anything y minus, so that's why 0 is there. And here in the right hand side you can easily see radius is A. Okay, so I will mention this is a circle. So I simply say a circle. What is its center? Its center is 0 zeros. Okay, and what is its radius? Radius is A. Okay, so what will I do? First of all, I will draw the circle here. Okay, and then we will talk about it. See, I will draw the circle. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, so now consider this is a A. Okay, this point A. So circle with center origin and radius A. So rough sketch I will draw. So A comma 0, and this is 0 comma A, and obviously this is minus A comma 0, and this is 0 comma minus, and this one is origin. Okay, so see, so S is actually in problem there should be less than or equal to inside a disk. Okay, so it's a disk, no, so that means inner part of circle. So this is a given region. Okay, I will show you here by dotted line. So this is a given circle we have, right? Given circle. So see, always we consider a strip here when we solve any double integration, problem of double integration. After getting a region, we consider a strip. Okay, either parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Most of times we consider strip parallel to y-axis. So here also I will do the same. So consider a strip. Consider a strip parallel to y-axis. Consider strip parallel to y-axis. So when we consider strip parallel to y-axis, two sentences we write. Okay, so the first sentence is y varies from y is equal to y is equal to, and after that we write x varies from x is equal to x is equal to. Okay, to find the limits we need to do some rough work. I will do that rough work here, and after that we write a limit. So here we have to consider the strip parallel to y-axis. So it will be like this. It will be like this. After that, what is our funda? We consider, okay, we consider bounded below, bounded above, left to right in case of strip. So see, as you can easily see, the strip is bounded below by a circle as well as bounded above by the same circle. Okay, then what shall we write here? Limits bounded below by a circle and bounded above by a circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. So what will I do? I will think about the bounded below first. See, as you know, the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? So we have to express y is equal to something. So what will I do? I will shift x square on that side. So y square is equal to a square minus x square. We got y square, but we want y only. So that's why I will take square root of both sides. So square root of both sides, that means y is equal to root a square minus x square. But there will be plus minus. Okay, since square root can be anything positive or negative also. So that's why we have got plus minus. So what I want to say, that means we are getting two different equations. Y is equal to this one and y is equal to minus root a square minus x square. Okay, see, when you talk about this part of circle, this part lies in a negative, in a part of negative y-axis, getting? So the equation of this part of circle, half circle, is y is equal to minus root. Okay, and when you talk about this part of circle, so it lies in a positive part of y-axis, getting? So that's why its equation will be y is equal to root a square minus x square. Is it clear to you? So therefore y varies from, it is bounded below by this part of circle, okay, lower half of a circle. So that's why it is minus, okay, minus, I think space will not be enough, minus root a square minus x square to y is equal to, when you talk about bounded above, it is bounded above by upper half of a circle. So that's why I will consider positive root a square minus x square. Okay, so after that we move the strip from left to right. In a left, okay, you can move up to this point, right, up to this point. So its value of x is minus a here. So okay, so when we move from left to right, we consider a points, right? And when you move this strip to up to this point, so here value of x is a, that means x varies from minus a to a. Is that clear to you? Okay, so let us consider the integration. Now we can solve the problem easily. Just a minute, I will remove this part. Okay, so I is equal to double integration f over s. Okay, so is equal to double integration. What is my f? Yeah, f is given x cube y square dy dx I will consider, since we are integrating y first. Our strip is parallel to y-axis and y varies from, what are the limits of y? Root minus root a square minus x square to plus root a square minus x square. And what are the limits of x? Minus a to a. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to integrate with respect to y first. So when you integrate with respect to y, we have to consider x, and all terms of x will be constant. Okay, so x cube is constant since we are integrating with respect to y. So x cube will come outside, getting? X cube will come outside. So integration minus a to a. So x cube will come outside. So simply we have to take integration of y square. It is y cube by 3 minus root a square minus x square root a square minus x square dx. Okay, so see here 1 by 3 is constant. I will take it outside. 1 by 3 I am taking outside. Integration minus a to a x cube. Okay, so if you put upper limit, getting? If you put upper limit, what will happen? It's cube. That means a square minus x square raised to 3 by 2. Since root means actually, so when we say a raised to or p raised to root p, that means p raised to 1 by 2. You are getting? So root means actually 1 by 2 and we are taking its cube. So that's why it is 3 by 2. Understood na? Okay. See, minus, we have to put lower limit. Okay, I am putting lower limit here and we have to take, it is negative and we have to take its cube. So when you take cube of any negative number, then obviously you will have a negative number, right? Now if you take square of any negative number, that time we will have positive number, but when you take cube of any negative number, it will be negative. So already minus sign is there, since when we put lower limit we have a minus sign, and as well as we are taking cube, so there minus will be plus. Okay, plus, and let us take its cube, a square minus x cube, and it's actually it's 1 by 2 and we are taking 1 by 2 and we are taking it cube, so that's why it will be 3 by 2. Okay, so it will be 3 by 2 dx. So this is equal to 1 by 3 integration minus a to a x cube, right? See, both terms are same, so you can write simply 2 into, so 2, so into 2 I will take outside, it is constant, 2 into a square minus x cube raised to 3 by 2 dx. Oh yeah, now simply we have to solve this integration. Make a screenshot of it and after that we'll go further. Okay. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, see, by mistake I had written cube here, actually square is there. I copied the same thing here. So now simply we have to solve this integration. See what I'm going to do. So when we have a limits of this type, minus a to a, okay, I will write here. Already in a previous video I told you this result, minus a to a. When we have any function, so it is to 0 to a f if f is even. Okay, if f is even, and it is odd, then it's 0 is odd. So please keep in mind this theorem. It's very important. Okay, so many problems of double integration you can, double or triple also, you can easily solve if you know this result. Okay, see, what is meaning of even and odd function? So actually the definition is f of x is equal to, sorry, f of minus x is equal to f of x, then you can declare it as a even function, and f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, you can declare it as a odd function. Getting? So that means when minus sign comes outside, we declare it is a minus sign comes outside, we declare odd function. And when function absorbs, okay, there is minus inside it, okay, but when we absorb that minus sign, then we can declare it as a even function. So here, yeah, function, in this way we decide function is even or odd. So here in this case, it's very simple technique. When you have a that in terms of x only function, then by looking its power, we can decide it's even or odd. So its power is 2, even number, so it's odd, sorry, even function. Its power is 3, so it's a odd function. Okay, I will remove this part now. See, so I will mention here x cube. Okay, x cube is what? It's odd function, since its power is odd, you are getting. And a square minus x square raised to, actually basically it is even function. So if you take any power of even function, you will have an even function. Getting? So this is the even function and this is the odd function. So when you take product of these two, x cube, a square minus x square raised to 3 by 2, if you take product, so you will have odd into even. Do you know odd into even? It's odd. It is just like in first or second standard, your teacher taught you this thing now, minus plus minus plus minus plus minus minus, right? And plus plus plus. So same thing. Okay, same thing we have odd even, odd even, odd, even odd, even odd, odd, and even. Understood now? So same thing we have. So when we take a product of one odd and second even function, so the product final answer is odd. So this is an odd function, and here this result says if function is odd, then its value is 0. So therefore value of this integration is 0, and we got its answer. Is that clear to you? Make a screenshot of it, and these things are also very important. Okay, in our next videos we are going to use these all. Make a screenshot, and after that we will stop. Thank you. Bye.